If you were arrested and you were out on bond or bail, then this video is for you because I'm going to be giving you 3 shocking facts about getting your money back from your bail bondsman. And number 3 is one that could actually get you thousands of dollars back in your pocket potentially today, depending on your situation. So make sure you stay tuned for that. My name is Veronica. I'm a domestic violence defense attorney here in California, and I help people put their cases behind them so that they can enjoy their lives and their freedom. I'm also the creator of a course called Defeat the DVRO, in which I teach you from start to finish everything that you need to know to represent yourself in a restraining order hearing and win. So if you are dealing with a restraining order in addition to an arrest, make sure you get your free first class via the link down below. Okay, so let's jump right in. Number 1, what happens if your bail bondsman posts bond for you, has you pay a down payment but gives you a payment plan, and you stop paying? When I was a relatively new attorney, I showed up for court one day and I found out the answer to this. I check in with the clerk and the clerk tells me, this is a bond surrender. I'm like, bond surrender? What does that mean? It doesn't sound good, but what does that mean? So what happened is that my client was going through hard times and he stopped paying his bail bondsman. His bail bondsman had tried to call him many times. He ignored the bail bondsman. And so bond surrender means that the bail bondsman is surrendering him to the court. So bond surrender means jail. If charges are filed against you, you're going to court and you don't pay your bail bondsman, that is exactly what happens. Immediately to jail, believe it or not, jail. Number 2, the money that you pay to a bail bondsman is the bail bondsman's fee. So how it works is that, let's say your bail is $50,000. You pay the bail bondsman maybe $5,000, and the bail bondsman keeps that $5,000. You will not get it back. Even if charges are dropped, even if you go to jury trial and win, you will not get that $5,000 back. The bail bondsman will take his $50,000 and he will deposit it with the court. So in exchange for the bail bondsman letting you use his $50,000 and going and getting you bailed out and all of that, you pay this fee. Number 3, in the state of California, most bail bonds companies charge 10%, but some of them have an exception. Even if you already paid them 10%, even if you already paid your $5,000 and $50,000 up front, where if you hire a private criminal defense attorney within a certain amount of time, it's usually within 30 days of being bonded out, then they will reduce the percentage that they take to 8% and actually give you a partial refund. So I know if you are in this situation, you are probably feeling like you are bleeding money right now, and that can potentially really help you. I just talked to a client recently who I noticed that he had one of the bail bonds companies that does offer 8% and got him some of his money back. Bail bonds companies won't always tell you this. You can find out by asking them or by going to their website, but make sure you do it soon because it's not a deadline to hire the criminal defense attorney. It is to have the criminal defense attorney actually fill out a form from them, sign it, and get it back to them. So do it sooner rather than later. Hopefully you can get some money back. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have a criminal case in the state of California, feel free to give me a call. You can find my number down below. You can also book a consultation there. And if you did find it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.